YouTube. Facebook. We got L Beats on the beats. You can find them on YouTube with the fire beats. The Sean Wickers BFC back here with another video. Hey, what's up? How you guys doing out there today on a beautiful Thursday? The weather is starting to get warmer. It's getting nice. Walking outside is real nice. I love when the summertime is coming around because, you know, the layers start coming off. Walking around depending on what neighborhood you in. Oh man, a lot of nice things to see in the summertime. Let's talk about it. How to grow a small account using Webull mobile platform. As you can see here, my account is small, yes. But I'm going to show y'all, as you follow me in these videos, how to grow a small account. Alright? I'm going to show you how to grow a small account. I'm not rich. And you might be wanting to trade, but you feel like you don't have enough money to trade. You don't know how much you should start with. You can start with $50, you can start with $25, you can start with $1, you can start with $100, you can start with $1,000. A lot of people ask me, how much should I start with? How much should I start with? First of all, you just gotta start. I just say start. Start ASAP. Alright? Of course, you want to get your education on first, and that's why I'm doing these videos. To show you how you can get 17% on your money. The banks is not giving you this. The banks is not going to give you 17% on your money. Alright? So as you can see, I've been holding these positions for a couple of days now. Alright, I've been holding these positions a couple of days. I should have been sold. I'm holding on because my emotions are involved. I'll be honest. But when you're trading, you want to have rules set in place for yourself, right? And my rule is to take 2%, anything between 2% and 5% profit. Anything else is a plus. So I'm way over my rule right now. And the reason why you want to have these rules, because, you know, things are looking good right now. You know, profits. And then bam, all profits gone because you got emotionally attached. You could have just took your profits with your range zone 2 to 5%. I want 2 to 5%. I want 2 to 5%, and I'm selling. But of course, I didn't do that here. But I may sell today because I don't like the weekends. All right, let's look at SNDL and see what's going on with SNDL. SNDL got some nice SNDL ain't really got that much movement. As you can see, the high for today is 135 and the low for today is 131. That's a bit concerning for me because we're coming into Friday. It's now Thursday coming into Friday. And I'm not really a big fan on trading on weekends, alright? As we look at our MACD, right? We look at our MSR, you see that the stock is trading sideways, alright? And when the stock is trading sideways, ain't much going on. It's not uptrending, it's not downtrending. It's just going sideways. So now the next question is, what's next? Well, in order for us to find out what's next, we gotta go back in history to see what happened. Alright? I'm gonna go back a little bit. I'm gonna draw a line across the middle. I'm gonna follow that line that's there ready. Right? So as you can see, the one good thing that I see, the price dropped below the line, then it shot up, right? It dropped below the line. It's going to shoot up again, or it's going to shoot down. Who knows? we have to stand by and wait to see what's gonna happen. Because sometimes things are not gonna always go your way, so you gotta have different plans set in stone and be ready to act on them. Alright? Looking back a little further, as you can see, the stock is trying to make that comeback. Let's look at the daily real quick. What SNDL get back to 396 with the push that it had, with all the hype. Got a little ways to go. Looking at the daily, we got the 200. If you can see it and notice it, it's a little bit of slight, little bit of slight uptrend. Little bit. So it's still pushing, but it's pushing very slow. Alright? It's pushing very slow. So for me, it's giving me an indication that I might let this go today and move on to different stocks. Alright? Let's go ahead and swing over and look at AMC. Instead of me doing two different videos, we could do it in one video. Let's look at AMC. Alright? In this position, I'm up 16%. I bought it at 878. So even if it drops right now today, it won't harm me because I'm above the price I bought it. All right, so let's go look at the quote. All right, AMC chart looks just how SNDL chart looks, right? Look at that. And the reason why they both look the same is because they both kind of got the same action going on. They both totally different companies, but AMC, SNDL, GameStop, they're kind of acting the same right now because of what's going on. All right, forget about the company itself. What's going on with the Wall Street bets and all the people that jumped on this stock and it shot up, it shot back down, and a lot of people is holding this position. They don't even know what they're doing. They just know they just going along with everybody else. Some people, right? One of the reasons why I jumped in, not because of anybody else, but I just wanted to be a part of history, because this position is going to be talked about for years to come, all right? And what happened during the COVID-19 and all of this stuff, and I'm in it. I made a couple of dollars, all right? But looking at the chart, it looks the same. It looks exactly the same. Exactly the same. When you start looking at charts, and you look at multiple charts, you will see a lot of similarities as if they all do the same thing, alright? Going back, let's say 2001 time frame, as you can see here, AMC wasn't doing so bad, right? So I may just hold this position for a little bit. The SNDL one, I don't know. All right, looking at right now. Let's go to the 5 minute. What are my indicators telling me? All right, we got the 200 on a slight decline, as well as the 5, as well as the 20. All right. So what did I tell you? Price is trending down right now. Okay. But now when I go down and I look at my MACD, right? I see my green line is at the bottom. So we have to wait for the crossover before the next push come. Look at the RSI. not that far from the 30. But as you can see, looking at the RSI with your own eyes, you see a slight downtrend. Alright? Will the price maintain? Will it go lower? Or will it push? We have to stand by. According to the chart right now, what's the rule on the 20? What's the rule on a price point? You got a gap. It will close, right? And cross over. So now you just gotta wait for that to happen. You gotta wait for that to happen, which it will. That's the behavior of the MSR. I don't know why I keep saying MSR. The reason why I keep saying MSR, when you guys hear me say MSR, when I was deployed in Iraq, that's what we call the highways, MSR, main supply route. I don't know why. Maybe that's why. I don't know. All right. So no matter what you're trading, these moving averages work the same on any instrument. All right. The moving averages act the same no matter what you are trading. Okay. So we're gonna go over real quick while we're here. All right. So the 200 moving average, the price will come close, bounce maybe a little bit off of it, and cross over. All right, but that won't happen for a while because it's the 200-minute moving average. 200 minutes, that's like far out, right? In the future, 200 minutes, what? 6, 12, 8, is what, 3 hours and 20 minutes? All right. No, my bad. Yes, yeah. All right, so now the next one we have the 20-minute moving average, right? As you know, the price will, when it's underneath especially, it will come up and maybe bounce off it a little bit, but it will cross over, all right, and push up. Same thing with the 5. All right, now for obvious reasons, the 200 is further away from the price point. The 20 is further away from the price point. And why is the 5 so close, like damn near on it? Because we're looking at the time frames, right? 5 minutes is more closer. 5 minutes in the past, 5 minutes in the future, right, is more closer to the present, right? Like right now, right? All right, so that's in a sense what that means, right? So the 200 right now is showing that the price point is averaging for 200 minutes is $10.38. Right now the price is at $10.20. So that gives you an indication that there will be some kind of a push, all right? The Sean Wiggins BFC. I hope I was able to help you understand how to use the mobile Webull platform when you're doing so. Using these moving averages will help your trades much better. Using the moving averages can give you a better idea where to enter and where to exit. Excuse me. Remember, when you got a large gap with that 20 and that price point, especially when it's an uptrend, that entry point. All right, ladies and gentlemen, until later. Yeah, I'm gonna still hold. I'm gonna hold this for a little bit. MC. Well. when did that happen? Look at this. Wow. I didn't see that. I mean,